Hey guys, so the other night I went out with my friends and I got some video to show you. Because everybody else was vlogging, apart from one. So yeah, enjoy.
I just had to do that. It's a brum brum!
We're vlogging, or Courtney's vlogging.
What is it? What is it? And stretch!
Everyone's vlogging here apart from Callum. We're in a forest. I don't actually know where we are because I've never been here before. But yeah, this is a really nice place. Well, Sitch River. Hi!
Hi there! Oh my god. Here's Courtney vlogging.
Oh!
Oh my god, that's so Tumblr.
Hello.
Such nature. And Robert is also vlogging.
It's Courtney.
Ow! Got that feeling. Sorry, I had to. Yummy roll. Are my children now? Ow! Yeah.
Opponent defeated. Callum wins.
I am the nature dragon.
To a field. I've hijacked Courtney's vlog because my phone's died. There's Courtney holding a very round ball.
She likes English balls.
We never got killed by 10-year-olds.
Yes, that offers us condoms and dildos. I wanted her number.
Condoms for £2.
It's just a bargain.
Who wants them when they go
You
to
look
put
like
together?
Henry Gallagher though.
Yeah, you know him? Gonna be struck by lightning, lightning.
Stop singing, please.
Oh,
Stop singing on my channel.
I don't want. Oh my god, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Will you do that to me?
Football.
We're now going to play football.
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 Foosball.
Right, how big
I
are the
can't
nets gonna be?
exercise.
I can't football.
I can't even football.
We were talking about exercise before. How like she wants to get out more to do some more.
Exercise.
What are you
Where's
doing?
it and how big? And which way? How big?